Breaking news, guys. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is under serious pressure as Nigerian court orders his administration to fix prices of goods in 7 days. Justice Ambrose Lewis of the Federal High Court in Lagos has ordered President Bola Tinubu-led government to fix the prices of goods and petroleum products within 7 days. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for this coming out here. If you're just joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Nigerian court orders President Tinubu's administration to fix prices of goods in 7 days. Justice Ambrose Lewis of the Federal High Court in Lagos has ordered President Bola Tinubu-led government to fix the prices of goods and petroleum products within 7 days. According to the Punch, Justice Lewis gave the order on Wednesday while delivering judgment in a suit number FHC/L/CS/869/2023 filed by the human rights lawyer Mr. Femi Falana against the Price Control Board and the Attorney General of the Federation, listed as the first and second defendants. Delivering the judgment, the court specifically ordered the government to fix the price of milk, flour, salt, sugar, bicycles and their spare parts, matches, motorcycles and their spare parts, motor vehicles and their spare parts, as well as petroleum products, which include diesel, petroleum motor spirit, otherwise called petrol, and kerosene. Falana, a senior advocate of Nigeria, according to reports, approached the court to determine whether, by virtue of Section 4 of the Price Control Act, the first respondent is carrying out his duty to impose a price on any goods that are of the kind specified in the first schedule to the Price Control Act. He therefore sought, among other reliefs, a declaration that the failure or refusal of the respondent to fix the prices of bicycles and spare parts, the flour, matches, milk, motorcycles and spare parts, motor vehicles, spare parts, salt, sugar, and petroleum products, including diesel, petrol, motor spirit, and kerosene, is illegal. Is offends the provision of selection of Section 4 of the Price Control Act, CAP, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. At the hearing of the case on Wednesday, the plaintiff, Falana, informed the court that the motion on notice was premised on Section 4, 1 in brackets of the Price Control Act, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. He also told the court that the defendants in the suit had been served with the processes since it was filed in May 2023, but refused and failed to file any response or counter to it. Consequently, the plaintiff urged the court to grant all the reliefs sought since there was no counter argument from the respondent. After listening to the submission, the presiding judge, Justice Lewis, observed that the respondent did not file any counter to the suit. The judge cited decided cases and held that all the reliefs contained in the motion paper are hereby granted as prayed. Falana, in the affidavit in support of the motion, deposed by a lawyer in his chamber, Taiwo Olawole, please pardon me, stated that the first defendant, the Price Control Brand, was established by the Price Control Act, and it is saddened with the responsibility to fix a price on goods to stabilize the general price level, prevention of hoarding of goods, protection of customers from exorbitant prices, among others. The second defendant is the chief law officer of the country. He also stated that the plaintiff had been involved in the defense and promotion of human rights in Africa for over 3 decades, and that on account of his human rights works, the plaintiff has been honored by many local and international organizations. The respondents have held that on January 3rd, 2023, he was informed by the plaintiff that the following commodities are listed in the Price Control Act: bicycles and its spare parts, flour, matches, milk, motorcycles and spare parts, motor vehicles and spare parts, petroleum products, salt and sugar. The Act basically gave the first respondent powers to fix the prices of the wide array of commodities listed above. Though the price of the commodities listed above is supposed to be imposed by the first respondent, the only petroleum products that are fixed to a certain amount are not being enforced. That the price of a bag of rice, which was formerly 8,000 naira, has risen to 45,000 naira in the market. The situation in the market is by each passing day is becoming unbearable for customers as prices of goods kept rising daily. Sellers are not always sincere, as they are so desperate to make excessive profits at the expense of the buyers. Food prices, which human beings should not be deprived of, are on the high side due to lack of price fixing by the first defendant, and that buyers are at the receiving end when the price of goods are increased, as they intend to suffer for it the more. So guys, what's your take on this? I beg, subscribe to this channel.